Hey guys, just making this really quick video showing you that Fortnite and especially Catch is not working. So if you're stuck like this, don't think it's your internet. Even if you guys see the signal on the top left hand side, you might think, oh, my Wi-Fi is down or whatever. No, it's actually for everybody. So this looks like I'm lagging and I can't move, and sometimes I can move a little bit and it glitches out. It's actually Fortnite. So there's no official status of Fortnite servers being down, but this is something that happens. So right now I can move, and then again I'm glitching out. So there is no fix for this. So even if you're looking out for videos how to fix this problem, it's nothing that you can particularly do about it. Again, it's just a Fortnite glitch, and this happened, yes, after the update that just happened. This is something that's been going on in and out. So hopefully Epic Games will fix it soon. However, don't really count on it, so wait a few hours to a few minutes to see what happens. Sorry, there's no fix for this, guys. There's nothing we can do on our end. For now, sure, you guys can restart your Xbox, your PlayStation, anything like that, and get it to work, but it's not. It's either not gonna let you in the game, or you might be able to play like me right now. It just started going on again, but sometimes it just gets stuck. I can see those dudes, well, they left the game, so that's why they're not playing. But other than that, there's nothing we can do about it. If you just get stuck, you're just getting stuck. Epic will hopefully get this working again, and we're good to go. Anyways, that's it for this video. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.